I'm Betsy Cribb Watson, Senior Home Editor at Southern Living. Today we're here at our 2024 Idea House in the beautiful Kiawah River community on Johns Island, South Carolina. As you explore the home, so many of these items are shoppable. Just scan the QR code and start shopping. This year, we partnered with a host of local talents to bring our vision to life, including interior designer Allison Elebash, who's going to show you around today.
Here we are in the entry hall, and because the whole home is a celebration of nature, we established that here with the wallpaper. It's by local textile designer Rebecca Atwood. It depicts the trees of Charleston. This mural runs down the entire length of the entry hall. We bookended this entry hall with a powder room on one side for visitors and a sweetgrass basket collection that immediately gives a nod to the Lowcountry. Here we are in the main entertaining space that includes this charming farmhouse kitchen, picture-perfect dining area, and this welcoming living room. And each area is linked by this massive wall of windows, which opens up to a truly beautiful scene. For the furniture, we wanted to strike the perfect balance between style and comfort. The sofa by Lee Industries is deep, plush, and cozy. It's upholstered in a chestnut linen with a light flange detail. And the swivel chairs are upholstered in this fun, leafy motif. One of my trademarks is mixing the old with the new. Vintage pieces like these rattan chairs and antique console table fit perfectly and give the space a sense of soul. I just love the feeling of a round dining table. It's so much more intimate and so much better for conversation. The natural material and shape of the chandelier complements the beautiful scenery. And speaking of view, we didn't want anything to take away from it. So we used this drapery to create a little picture framework on either side of the doors. I love the wavy pattern and mushroom color. It seemed to reflect perfectly what's going on outside. We went with farmhouse style chairs. We upholstered the cushions in a Rebecca Atwood pattern and added a skirt below for softness. To maintain harmony within this open concept, we also went with a natural palette in the kitchen. And I love how the custom Venetian plaster hood anchors this side of the room and is a perfect complement to the fireplace and art on the other side. The kitchen also includes two surprises: a hidden scullery for extra space and storage, and what I like to call a friend's entrance, which is Southern hospitality at its best. And if you see anything in here that you might want to add to your kitchen, you know the drill. Scan the QR code. Upstairs begins with this den. If you want to listen to music, pour yourself a drink, and relax, I designed this to be the spot for you. Shiplap walls and Rebecca Atwood's wallpaper on the ceiling create a super cozy vibe. And right over there is a coffee bar. The upholstered built-in benches make it feel like your favorite neighborhood cafe, which is focused as much on functionality as it is on style. And when you're done with your espresso and ready for work, there's a peaceful home office. This home has two primary bedrooms. For this primary bedroom, we matched the drapery with the wallpaper, and we extended the wallpaper all along the ceiling. It just gives you that feeling that you're being embraced by nature. This primary suite makes me feel so serene. We installed this patterned wallpaper above the wainscoting and onto the ceiling so that it feels like a fern canopy. Just look at how the wavy lines in the rattan chandelier mimic the waterline outside. This handmade four-poster bed adds a touch of old school luxury. And the quilt is also a fresh take on a nostalgic classic. See anything here or upstairs that inspired you? Just scan that QR code for some dreamy ideas.
Well, Allison, it was so beautiful. You did an amazing job bringing Southern charm to life.
Thank you. It's been such an honor to be a part of this project with Southern Living.
If you like what you saw, check out the latest issue of Southern Living on stands now, or visit us online at southernliving.com.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.